Hello everyone, and welcome to the Complete C++ Masterclass. I'm really excited that you've decided to start your programming journey with me. Whether you've never written a single line of code or you've always been curious about programming, you're in the right place. Before we start writing C++ programs, we need a place where we can actually write and run our code. Just like a writer needs Microsoft Word to write documents, a programmer needs special software to write programs. This software is called an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now, don't worry about remembering that long name. Just think of an IDE as your programming workspace. It's where you'll write your code, save your projects, find mistakes, and run your programs, all in one place. There are many different IDEs available for C++. Some popular ones are CodeBlocks, Visual Studio Code, CLion, and DevC++. For this course, I'll be using CodeBlocks because it's free, lightweight, beginner-friendly, and has everything we need to learn C++ from scratch. Now here's something important. Technology changes very quickly. Installation steps are updated, websites change, and new versions are released regularly. Instead of making a long installation video that could become outdated, I recommend watching a recent YouTube tutorial on how to install CodeBlocks. If you prefer another IDE like VS Code or Visual Studio, that's perfectly fine too. Just make sure it's set up to compile and run C++ programs before continuing with this course. If you decide to use CodeBlocks, always download it from the official website, which is www.codeblocks.org. Avoid downloading software from random websites because the official website always provides the latest and safest version. When you're on the website, click Downloads, then Binary Release, and if you're using Windows, choose the installer that includes MinGW. This version already comes with the C++ compiler, so you won't need to install anything separately. After downloading, simply run the installer and follow the default installation steps. It only takes a few minutes. Once everything is installed, open code.blocks. Don't worry if the interface looks confusing at first. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly what every button and every window does. That's all you need to do before we begin our programming journey. In the next video, we'll answer one of the most important questions for every beginner. What is programming? Once you understand that, learning C++ will become much easier. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching. You can watch our latest uploads. Want more of us? Don't forget to like and subscribe.